In this tutorial, I'll show you how to create this soft body effect in Blender. I'll use Eevee with bloom turned on. Let's create a UV sphere. G and X to move the mesh on the X axis. We need to keyframe. Go to frame 100, move the mesh, and keyframe again. Here is our 100 frame long animation. Let's create a teapot. If you don't have that in the menu, please activate an add-on called Extra Objects. Here is our basic animation. Let's move the teapot and the plane meshes down a bit. Time to add a collision physics to the teapot and the ground. For the teapot mesh, let's add a soft body. The ball is penetrating the teapot mesh, but not much is going on. In edit mode, Shift-Z to wireframe view. Let's select the top and the bottom vertices and Ctrl-G to vertex group them. We can use the vertex group as the soft body's control point. Almost indistinguishable, but the control points are not reacting to the collision much. This is without. This is with the control point. We can create an interesting illusion by adjusting the goal's strength value. Is this happening because only the middle part had the control point assigned? Certainly appears so. I was experimenting with this illusion, then found something interesting. By adjusting the strength value, I learned I could drag the target mesh away from its origin. All meshes would need a different goal strength value to trigger that illusion. I'll add some loop cuts, and assign the top and the bottom vertices as the control point. Let's adjust the goal's strength value. Almost. By using the control point, we can drag the target mesh away from its origin. There we go. I'll increase the size of the cylinder and try again. This is the end of the tutorial. Thank you for watching.